Hi there. So this is a overview of the foundations of economics and the resources and tasks you'll find here. So this is the video you're watching right here that will be appear here. Okay. So like it's already been explained to you, there is a things you need to learn list for each topic area, and you can use this as a checklist. So to re-emphasize, there's a few columns here. I would recommend that you should have already printed this out, and you use this to go through, and you can tick off the first time you go through it. Make sure you've got notes, make sure you understand these things, use it, put question marks. You might need to ask a teacher in my absence some questions about these things, or perhaps email me and ask me some questions about these things, or just put a cross to signify you haven't got a clue what's going on. Okay, and then the second time you go through it, as part of a revision, you can check off that you've gone through these things and understand these things. So it could be a very useful tool for you. Okay, so flicking down. So we've got the basic economic problem, scarcity, wants and needs. We've got the page number in your Oxford book, so that's smaller out of the two. There should be some spare books in the classroom, so you can keep the books that may have been issued to you at home, and just use the books that remain in the classroom if you need to use them. There's also a video for you to watch, and these are the questions and with some information. And then to make sure that you understand, you need to complete these tasks. Okay, and I expect that you complete these tasks on paper, or you can do them on your computer and then print them out, but they need to be in your folder so I can see that you've done the work. Okay, they won't be graded, it's just to make sure that you've engaged with the material and you've thought about it. Okay, then you're going to look at what factors of production are. So land, labour, capital and entrepreneurship, and this video quickly explains that. Now this is an actual assignment, so you'll need to go, so it explains here what you need to do. Basically you need to do a poster to show that, and then upload it to Schoolology. So anywhere where it says this is an assignment, you can go to the assignment section. So if we go back to the foundation of economics page here, okay, so the computer's just thinking about it. So this was the page we were just in. If you go to the assignment section, we'll see factors of production poster, and it's got the same information there, but this is where you can upload it. So for you, there'll be a button over here where you can upload it. It's fairly self-explanatory, but this has got all the information you need on it. Okay, it's got plenty of choices for you to choose the tools that you want to, but you need to make sure that you have it in submit it electronically. So you can do it by hand by all means, and just take a photo or scan it in and then upload it that way, or you can use PowerPoint and upload that, or you can use some online tools such as canva.com, Infogram, Venngage, Pictochart. So some that you might have used in Global Issues last year in a way to do your info diagrams. Okay, so if we go back to Foundations of Economics and move on from the factors of production. Okay, you then move on to opportunity cost and production possibility curve. There's some pages in the book, and there's a video of a great teacher explaining what the production possibility curve is. Okay, again, this is an assignment, so if you go to where we were just at and click on the superhero production possibility curve task, it's got all the information on you need, and there's some examples in there to see what I'm looking for in this. And again, should be handed in electronically so I can have a look at it and make sure you're all on the right tracks. So again, all of these you can do anytime up to the deadline. Okay, so don't see the deadline as being the day that you do it. Try to get them done ahead of time, because the later you leave things to be done, the more chance you are of being more stressed. Okay, then this next video explains the utility and rational economic thinking. There's a video to watch, there's pages in your books again, so hopefully you're getting used to this. And positive and normative economics, Oxford books and so forth. And there's a task here for you to do. Okay, so fairly straightforward. And again, the task, you just need to do it, print it off, or do it in old style with a pen and paper, and then pop in your folder so you've got that and I can have a look at that at some point. And then finally we've got rationing systems, and there's a small task there to do. So that would complete all the work you have to do here, and they're all basically fairly simple concepts. Um, just make sure that you've gone through all these and can tick off all these things. And if there's any things that we're not sure of and the teacher in the classroom can't help you and you can't change any question marks or crosses to ticks, we can resolve them when I arrive back in school on the 5th of September. Okay, or again, send me an email and maybe I can help you via that way. So please don't feel you are on your own. I'm here to help. Okay, so that's what you need to complete for this unit. And you've got up to when I get back to complete those things. Okay, so please make sure you do that.